Hello students, let's continue our chapter electricity and circuits, and this is the last video related to that. So here we will discuss about the two electrical component. One is electric torch and another one is electric bulb, the torch bulb. Okay, so let us discuss about the electric torch first, how it is made. So you must have seen that there is outer metal or plastic casing. There is an outer metal case in a torch. Okay, cells or batteries are present in an electric torch and a bulb is connected to it. How cells are connected? Cells are always connected. Suppose this one is first cell having plus terminal and having minus terminal. Okay, so you must have seen this cap like structure in a cell, है and there is a metal disc. So this cap like pointed structure is the positive terminal and this metal disc is the negative terminal. Take another cell, okay, and whose cap like structure will be connected to the negative of first cell, and this cap like structure is having positive end, and here is the metal disc, it is having negative terminal. So always negative of first cell is connected to the positive of second. Okay, so in a cell, the side where cap is present, that is having the positive side, and where the metal disc is present, that is the negative side. So if two or more batteries are connected, suppose two more batteries are connected, so here is a one cell, here is another cell. So negative of first cell is connected to positive of second cell. Okay, you will never connect positive of first cell with the positive of another cell. Okay, you will never connect positive of one cell with the positive of another cell. Okay, so connection is always like this. Negative of one cell is connected to the positive of another cell. Okay, another important factor is, if you take a cell like this, suppose positive and negative terminal, it is having positive and negative terminal, you will never ever connect a wire with these two terminals. Okay, you will never connect both these terminal. Why so? Because the energy present in cell will be consumed very fast and cell will be dead. Okay, so you will never ever connect the positive and negative terminal of a cell or battery. So here is the arrangement for supplying the electricity. We are using an electric cell or electric battery. Okay, so how they are connected, I have told you, plus minus. Okay, here is the switch present. Okay, there is a slider arrangement in a switch. So when switch is in backward direction, the bulb will turn off and the torch is not operating. Okay, and when we slide the switch in forward direction, suppose we slide the slit in forward direction, switch in forward direction, so what will happen then? Now the connection is made now, so circuit will complete and the bulb will glow. Okay, here the bulb is connected, here is the metal casing. Okay, these are the cells are connected to bulb is connected to the switch. Okay, and this is the whole arrangement, and it is protected by a metal case in the outer part. Okay, so cells are present, switch is present, switch is having sliding arrangement. So switch is of which type? Sliding switch. Okay, so when switch moves in backward direction, then circuit breaks, but when switch is moved in forward direction, the circuit will complete and the bulb will glow. Okay, now let us discuss another electrical appliance, which is an electric bulb. So what are the components of an electric bulb? Electric bulb is having a metal case like this. Okay, and a spherical glass like structure is present, and in this glass like structure gas is filled, inert gas, unreactive gases, for example argon and nitrogen gas are filled here. Okay, here is the filament of the bulb. Filament of the bulb will glow and provide the electricity. Okay, it will glow and provide the light energy. This filament is connected to the thick metal wires. Okay, these filaments are connected to the two thick metal wires, so they are connected to the outer circuit. This thick wire, one end of this thick wire is connected to the metal tip. There is a metal tip at the bottom of the cell, है ना? And another thick wire is connected to the metal case. So this will be the two terminals by which this bulb is connected to the circuit. Okay, so there is in unreactive gases are filled, for example argon gas and nitrogen gas is filled in it. So what is the benefit of that? That they will not burn the wire. Okay, so this filament is having very high melting point. It can bear very large amount of heat, and it will glow, it will glow and emit the light energy. And these inert gases helps to prevent the burning of this filament. Okay, so if oxygen is filled in this bulb na, the bulb will damage, the filament of the bulb will burn itself. Okay, so when the bulb gets fused, the filament of this bulb gets broke. Okay, it gets broken. So filament is connected to thick wire. These thick wires are connected, one end is connected to the metal tip and another is connected to the metal case. So this was all about the chapter electricity and circuits. Thank you.